Are you ready to cook and enjoy salmon fish tacos? Okay, so let's start. I got this salmon fillet from farmer's market and just sliced into 4 pieces. Marinated with some dry herbs, avocado oil, salt, black pepper, parsley, oregano, basil, dry garlic, and also finely chopped cilantro and spring onion stems. Once you get it nicely marinated, put a cling wrap and keep it in the refrigerator from 1 to 2 hours. Whenever you're ready to bake it, preheat your air fryer at 400 degrees Celsius. Take your marinated fish out from the fridge and just place it in your air fryer and set it on for 12 minutes. It will stay really juicy. You don't want to overcook it. While it's getting cooked, I got my stuffing ready. Onion, cabbage, some spinach, and cilantro. I added some special sauce in it, mixed it well, and then you just take your slices of fish, mix everything well. This is your stuffing ready. Got the tortillas, heated it on the griddle, and as it's done, fill your tortillas with the stuffing. Enjoy. It's super yum, super healthy,